Orange. Oh, sabi ko na eh. Mango, mango. Okay. O, tunay na to Orange. Sabi ko na, nagiging. Ano, masarap? Ay, patotohanan na talaga. Tama na. Grapes. Oh! Kayo dalawa. Apple.
Apple.
Orange. Apple. Mango. Galing nila. Orange. Orange. Apple. Grapes. Mango. Orange. Grapes. Naghihintay ka rin eh. Apple. Apple. Grapes. Mango. Orange. Apple. Apple. What? Apple. Orange. Apple. Orange. Orange. What? Apple. Orange. Huwag naman mong ganun lang. Ganun. Ay, ginaganon mo lang. Grapes, mango, apple, mango.